It's another beautiful. Oh, it is morning here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are viewing this show from, guys. Just as usual, you know how we always bring good content to your view, right? Yes, guys. Thank you as always. We have today we're making a potato and chicken. I don't know which name to call it. Let me introduce you to all the ingredients and tell you how I'm going to do it in case you've seen me bringing things on. It's a new recipe. So this is boiled chicken. You can actually buy your mixed chicken just like you buy your mixed meat. This is already seasoned and boiled. This is potato, Irish potato, seasoned and boiled. Then I'm going to be using egg to band it, little flour to band it, then I roll it in flour and breadcrumbs and fry. And that is the crunchy chicken potato. It's a nice name, right? Okay, let me introduce it to you. Let me take you step by step on how we are going to make it. So let's do that together this morning, guys. Let's go. Good, guys. Guys, I can't wait for you to make your own recipe and send it. You know, you can actually put some veggies inside it, some streams you can do. You can do it the way you want it. So I want to see your own style. Send it to me. Inbox me. Yeah. Are you saying this is so extra? It's not. It's not. You know, that's how we roll. It's miracle. You know, I don't know. What do you think this one can go with? Your tea, your rice, your vegetables, your every other thing. I think there's a main meal too. So, guys, this is the end of today's show. Gold, sponsored by goldminearoma. Put up your own recipe. Let me see. Put vegetables inside yours. Put shrimps in it. And let me see what comes up. So, guys, thank you for staying tuned. This is very yummy. Guys, it's yummy. Yummy. And you can actually run it in bowls. I have the bowls, the one that's left. Put it in bowls to look like pop-off or buns. It's you that know what is wrapped inside. But this is very nice, guys. So thanks for viewing. Thanks for watching. Always like, subscribe, share, and please put on your notification button so that anytime we upload new video, you'll be notified. Thank you, guys, and I can't wait to see you in another video. Bye.